Hello friends, how are you? I welcome all of you on the platform of the CAT tutorials. Students, today we are going to discuss a very good question, and I had taken that questions from the previous year CAT, and the topic of this question is the time, speed, and distance. Students, it is well known fact that especially in the arithmetic portion, the weightage of the arithmetic portion is so high in the CAT exams. So it is my suggestion to all of you, you must have to follow a good quality of the questions for cracking the CAT exams. So see what is the questions of the day. Right now I'm going to show you the questions. So the questions of the day is, at first, I am going to read the questions for all of you. The question is point A, P, Q, and B lie on the same line such that P, Q, and B are respectively 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, and 300 kilometers away from A. Car 1 and car 2 leaves A at the same time and moves towards B. Simultaneously, car B leaves B and moves towards A. Car 3 meets car 1 at Q and car 2 at P. If each car is moving in uniform speed, then the ratio of the speed of the car 2 to that of the car 1 is. So see, this one is a very good question, and all of you have to solve the questions by applying the shortcuts method. So students, whenever we have such type of the questions, then always try to draw the diagram for the question. So here, if we are drawing the diagram, what is given in the question, these are the 4 points on the same straight line. So we are drawing the diagram. This one is the point A. This one is the point B. Right now we are marking the point P. This one is the point P, and this one is the point Q. Such that P, Q, and B are respectively 100 kilometers. So the distance of this point is how much? The distance between A and P is how much? The 100 kilometer. So if the distance between A and P is the 100 kilometer, and again the distance of point Q from A is 200 kilometers, then definitely we can calculate that the difference between P and Q is also how much? The difference between P and Q is also 100 kilometer. And similarly, when we calculate the distance between Q and B, then you can say that the distance between Q and B is also 100 kilometers. Then see what is given in the question. It is given in the question at the same time, car 1 and car 2 leaves at the same time. So from the point A, car 1 and car 2 are moving in the same direction. Suppose this one is the car 1, and on the another side we have shown the position of the car 2. And car 3 toward and move towards B. So this one is and simultaneously car 3 leaves B. So this one is the diagram for the car 3. Car 3 is moving towards the car 1. So what is the first point? The first point is car 3 meets car 1 at Q. So what is the meaning of this? If car 3 meets car 1 at Q, so what you can say that when car 1 covers a distance of 200 kilometers, car 3 has covered a distance of 100 kilometers. Then for the same time, we can see that if the ratio of the distance is 200 and 100, then definitely you can see that the ratio of their speed is how much? The ratio of their speed is, you can write 200 is to how much? 100. Then you can say that the ratio of the speed of the car 1 and car 3 is how much? 2 is to 1. Again, what is given in the question? Again, it is given in the question. Car 3, it is given in the question, car 3 meets at car 2 at P. So car 3 meet at the point P. So what you can see that when car 2 has covered a distance of 100 kilometers, during the same time car 3 has covered a distance of 200 kilometers. Then what you can see that if we want to take the ratio of the car 3 and car 2, then definitely it will be how much? Again, you can take the same ratio, 200 is to 100, that is equal to how much? That is equal to 2 is to 1. So right now we have to find the ratio of the C1 is to C2. So definitely we can multiply these two equations. So when we will multiply these two equations, it will give you the ratio of C1 is to C2, that is equal to how much? 4 is to 1. So students, during the calculation, we can make any of the sequence, but at the time of writing of the answer, we must have to follow the language of the question. So we have to find the ratio of the speed of car 2 to that of the car 1. So which one is the answer? Option A is the answer of the question. Okay बच्चों, so this one is only one questions और मैंने आपको क्या कहा है, this one is the questions of the day. So definitely we will provide one questions on the regular basis. So this one is the first question and this question is from the time, speed and distance. Then बच्चे मैं आप सभी को ये सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, if we are really interested for the cat, if you are serious for the cat, so you must have to develop a good concept on the arithmetic portion, and you can you can do only by applying the shortcuts method. So right now I am concluding the today's session. मैं बच्चे आज की क्लास को यहाँ पे कंक्लूड कर रहा हूँ. Then thanks to all of you. मिलते हैं बच्चे फिर से नेक्स्ट क्लास में किसी नए क्वेश्चंस के साथ. So once again, thanks to all of you.